You have the right to vote.
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 The polls are open Tuesday, November 4th.
From 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
To find your polling location, visit www.voteforchange.com.
Or call 1-877-5PA-OBAMA.
That's 1-877-572-6226.
If you're voting for the first time or at a new polling location,
Bring ID.
Like a Pennsylvania driver's license,
Student ID.
or a utility bill that shows the address where you're registered.
You have the right to vote, even if you have unpaid bills, overdue taxes, or your house has been foreclosed.
It's okay to wear Obama t-shirts and pins on Election Day. You should be prepared to cover up your shirt
or take off your pin.
but you can still vote.
If you're registered to vote at your campus address, you are completely safe to vote on November 4th.
Voting in Pennsylvania will not cause you to lose your residency in any other state.
Don't leave without voting. If you're in line by 8 p.m., you have the right to vote.
If anyone tries to prevent you from voting,
Or if you have any questions about your rights,
Look for your Obama election observer.
or call 1-877-5PA-OBAMA. 1-877-572-6226.
You have the right to vote.
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 You have the right to vote.